As COVID-19 cases keep emerging across the globe, many frequent fighters are being asked to stay at home in self-quarantine, post-travel return or just for the sake of their health safety. All the gyms, weight loss centers, yoga classes and other places where people are usually active would remain momentarily closed. Staying at home for long period of time can pose a major challenge for being physically active. Sedentary lifestyle behavior and low levels of physical activity can definitely have undesirable effects on the health, weight management, and quality of life of individuals. Self-quarantine can also lead to added stress and challenge the mental health of individuals. Physical activity and relaxation techniques can be great tool to help you stay calm and continue to maintain your fitness during this time. Welcome all the freak and fits to our new episode. Those who are new to our channel, please subscribe it now and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it, as it will help you to remain connected with the freak and fits. As recommended by WHO, you need to do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity physical activity every week, or a blend of both. These recommendations can still be achieved even at home, with no gym equipment and with restricted space. We take you in this video which 5 things you should do and which you don't during this quarantine time. So here we go. So here are the 5 things you need to do. Number 1. Drink 3 to 5 liters of water per day as appropriate. It is the best detox for the body. Our organs like lungs, liver, kidney are endowed naturally to cleanse the body. We just need to keep our body well hydrated and keep good circulation so that toxins reach these organs easily and get cleansed. In addition, water helps to keep our hunger at low levels. You may use lime water, thin buttermilk, fruit infusion water. Number 2. Consume at least 3 to 5 portions of raw fruit per day. They are loaded with many vitamins, fiber and detoxifying agents. In addition, fruits are low in calories despite the sugar content. They are good even for diabetes. Avoid canned fruits or fruit juices as they may have high sugar content. Number 3. Work out at home. As we are staying at home now, it does not mean we leave our workout. We have to spend some time doing exercise like walking in the balcony or rooftop every morning and evening. We can swim if we have swimming pool near us. Then we can do some breathing exercise which will help our lungs work properly. Another thing we can do is yoga. We all know yoga is very effective exercise which will help us to keep our body fit as well as our mind active also. Number 4. Proper sleep. According to the National Sleep Foundation, adequate sleep for adults is between 7 and 9 hours a night, and athletes may benefit from as many as 10 hours. Accordingly, sleep is as important to athletes as consuming enough calories and nutrients. Proper sleep also helps us preventing depression, lowering the risk of heart disease, lower weight gain risk as well. Number 5. Have a healthy diet. For ideal health, it is also significant to remember to eat smartly and stay hydrated. Try to drink more water instead of sugar-sweetened beverages and flush out toxins. Limit or say no to alcoholic beverages for adults and strictly avoid these in young people as well as pregnant and breastfeeding women or for some other health concerns. Ensure ample of fruits and vegetables and restrict the intake of salts, sugar and fatty foods. Opt whole grains instead of refined foods. Here are the 5 things you need to avoid. Number 1. Eating spicy and oily food. Eating too much spicy and oily food always harmful to our body. As we don't do any rigorous workout session, as we are all at home, so we must give a break to our eating habit as well. So, don't eat any spicy and oily food if to remain fit and healthy. Number 2. Too much sleep. Proper sleep is needed to remain sound-minded and stress-free. But too much sleeping hurts. If anyone sleeps too much, then body and mind will not work properly. Also, you may gain extra fat as well. So, do not sleep more than 8 hours in a single day. Number 3. Don't stress too much. Too much stress is injurious to both body and mind. As we all are facing a pandemic, it is very common to get stressed out. But freak and fitters never stress out. So don't be stressed and remain focused and have fun. Number 4. Don't spend too much time in social media. Spending too much time in social media will break your daily routine. So be careful and follow the daily routine very strictly. Number 5. Don't create problem with family. In this time of global pandemic, it is the family which will be there for you all the way. So don't make any problem with the family. Have fun time with family and stay together to fight the COVID-19. So that's it for today guys. If you have anything more to do, then write us in the comment below. Still you have not subscribed us yet? Then do that now and press the bell icon so that you can have notification on our next videos. Hope to see you all soon with a new video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe and be freak and fit.